Hello, this is the first application on the basis of which we will develop our framework-friendly open space. What it will be for the application: the microsite on a few pages, but in the course of its construction, we will learn the basics of our framework. And so proceed. We have a simple task to form a directory tree and create a database. The name of the training project Step-by-Step 001. Accordingly, create a folder of the same name and go into it. In addition to the FOS library itself, the project directory should contain 3 more directories: the CSS directory, the web template directory, and the projection directory. What is the projection? Consider later. And so create these directories: CSS folder, the web templates folder, and the projection folder. Next, download the FOS library from the official development site fosdevelopment.site.go. Tap Download and download the latest beta version. Unpack it in the folder of our project. All the directory structure we have prepared. It remains to create a database. All operations with the database we will perform through the terminal. So go to our misclude database. More precisely, open the client to work with the misclude database. We will not enter commands manually one by one. We will use the code already given in our tutorial. Create a database. Note that the database is created with util F8 encoding support. So how is the library-friendly open space to work with her? Next, you need to create the user under which we will connect, under which our application will connect to the database. This is user FOS for localhost password FOS. Please note that we use the extension misclude_native_password for no digits to be able to connect to the database and authenticate correctly. Next, we look at the rights to work with the database Step-by-Step 001. All privileges for user FOS at localhost and go actually in the database itself. The database structure is very simple. Since we said that we have a microsite on 3 pages, then we will use only one table, the pages table. The list of fields is also very simple. This is the primary key record ID, the machine name of the record by which we will refer to the record in the database, human readable headline, and the context of body. Create our table. That's all she wrote. We have the database ready. This concludes the lesson.